Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start the new lecture, that is orthographic projection of point. To draw projection of any object, one must have the following information. First is object with its description is well defined. Second is observer, always observing perpendicular to respect to reference plane. Third is the location of object, means its position with respect to reference HP, horizontal plane and vertical plane. The above and below with respect to HP term, and in front of and behind with respect to VP terms are used. Okay, there are four quadrants. Okay, object may be placed in the any of these four quadrant. You can see here. So this is first quadrant. So if object is placed in the first quadrant, we can say first angle projection. If it is in second quadrant, then it is called second angle projection. If it is in third quadrant, then it is called third angle projection, and if it is in fourth quadrant, it is called fourth angle projection. Now out of this we are only use the first angle projection and the third angle projection. So we are going to see why we are going to use that in the next slides. So as this is HP and VP, this horizontal plane is there and this vertical plane is there. If we use the first angle projection, then we have to plot this symbol at the drawing sheet. At the corner we have to draw this symbol, so that the people can understand that this drawing is made by the first angle projection. In first angle projection, the object is placed in the first quadrant. Okay, the object is positioned at the front of vertical plane and top of the horizontal plane. The first angle projection is widely used in India and European countries. The object is placed between the observer and the projection plane. Okay, and the plane of projection is taken solid in the first angle projection. You can see here, this is the object. It is in front of vertical plane and top of the horizontal plane, and observer is looking from this direction. From this direction, my observer is looking. Now you can see here, just as one explanation. So this is the object. For front view we are looking from this side, because for top view we are looking from the top side, and from this left hand side view we are looking from this arrow. Okay, so in this object is placed above SP and in front of VP. So you can see here, this is the object. If you take its front projection, so object obviously these projection rays are always perpendicular to this profile plane. So this is vertical profile plane, horizontal profile plane, and this is the profile plane side. Okay, vertical plane, horizontal plane, and this is profile plane. So you can see here, front you will get the here. From top you can get, this is the color of this, so you can get top view, and in the side you can see this brown color there, that you can see here brown color. Okay, so you can see here, after the taking projection we rotate this horizontal plane and vertical plane 90 degree. If you rotate this vertical plane 90 degree, like this, like this, okay, it will come below the VP, vertical plane below, it will HP will come below this. And if you rotate it like this, okay, 90 degree, okay, so you can see this is the XY line, and here we're on vertical above XY line you will get the front view, and below XY line you will get the top view. And this is left hand side view, which is you will get the on the right side of this front view. And where you get the right hand side view, you will get the on the left side. Okay, so here observer is looking from this direction. Now next is, so you can see here what is the position of object. Object is in between observer and the plane. So this is the object and this is the observer. Here it is the observer. Okay, and object is in between observer and this is plane, projection plane. Now in third angle projection, if you draw any drawing in the third angle, so at the drawing corner you have to draw this third angle projection symbol. So in third angle projection, the object is placed in the third quadrant and object is placed behind the vertical plane, okay, and bottom of the horizontal plane. So you can see here it is like this. So object is placed somewhere here. Object is placed in this third quadrant somewhere here like this, because this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. The object is placed behind the vertical plane and bottom of the horizontal plane. So it is behind the vertical plane. The third angle projection is widely used in the United States. The projection plane comes between the object and the observer. The plane of projection is taken as a transparent in the third angle projection. Now let's see that. So this is the horizontal plane. Okay, so this is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane, this is profile plane. Now this plane is considered to be the transparent, and you can see here the what is the sequence. So here is the observer, here is the plane, and behind the plane there is the object. Observer, plane, and object, this is the sequence. Now these planes are transparent, so you can directly see the front view here on vertical plane, top view on horizontal plane, and the side view on this side plane. So what is the, once we rotate horizontal plane and 90 degree, this profile plane on the 90 degree, so what you will get? You will get, you can see the xy line, front view you will get below xy line, top view get above xy line, and left hand side view you will get on the left hand side only, but it is below xy line. So this is the thing. So here the plane is to be considered as a transparent. This profile plane, vertical profile plane, horizontal profile plane, this side profile planes, these are considered to be a transparent. But in case of first angle, it was the solid. So you can see here, so this is the vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane. Okay, once we have taken the projection, we rotate it. So that's why we use the first angle projection and third angle projection. So in orthographic projection system is used to represent 3D object into a 2D plane. The orthographic projection system utilizes parallel lines to project 3D objects can be drawn into a 2D planes. Why we use first angle and third angle projections? So according to the rule of orthographic projection, to draw a projection view of a 3D object on a 2D plane, the horizontal plane is rotated 90 degree. So you can see here it is rotating at 90 degree after taking the projection. That means once you get the projection here, here you have to rotate this at a 90 degree in clockwise direction. So these are the notation. VP used for vertical plane, HP used for horizontal plane. Okay, so this is, they are intersecting, that is the XY line. Okay, the first, and this is always observer is looking from this direction always. So okay, so you can see observer, you can get front view, top view. Okay, so first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Now what are the notations we use? Okay, So here the for point A, top view will show A, front view it will be A dash, and side view it will be A double dash. If we are going to draw the line, then top view A B, front view A dash B dash, side view A double dash B double dash. Next is when we place a point A in different quadrant, what and its front view brought on the same plane, observer can see it clearly. You can see here, this is the point A, observer is here, its projection is A dash, that is used for the front view, and A is for the top view. Okay, so once we take the projection, we rotate HP, so you'll get A dash and A on this vertical plane. You can see vertical plane, you can get A dash, horizontal plane rotate, you will get A. Similarly, okay, so here to get the view on the one plane, we have to always rotate horizontal plane as per rules. So in second quadrant, what is happen, if you take the A, this is A dash front view, and the top view, you will get A here, and it is again A. So here they are both on the same plane, so we are not take uh, draw second and not use second angle projection. Okay, in third angle, you can see you will get the A dash front view below here, okay, and top view here, and once you rotate, you will get top view here A and A dash on the same plane, vertical on the same plane. Okay, but in case of fourth angle, you can say same situation is there. We'll get the front view here, we'll get the here top view, and once you rotate the top view, it will be comes on the same plane. So we can below xy line, so it will be do the confusion, so that we don't use the uh, second and fourth angle projection. Okay, this point is point, you are taking the projection of point, it is simple, but if you do the complex object, so it will be very difficult to understand what is the front view and what will be the top view, because they are coinciding. So you can see here, so position of the point in the first quadrant. Okay, so position of it may be the above HP and in front of VP. So if this is A is front view, top view, the point A is above SP and in front of VP, in VP, sorry, in VP. So the point is in VP, you can see here it is in VP. Next is the point is in HP and in front of VP, so that is the next position of the point. Okay, so you can see here, so if it is in VP, so A dash you can get in front of this. Now what is this, is the XY line, so you can see XY line above XY line, and top view is below XY line for this first above HPN in front of VP. So here it is A dash and A. You can, we have always draw the projector, because point is always lying on the same point, front view and top view always lie on the same point. So this is for the second case, point A is above HP and in front of in VP, in VP, and this is the third case when point is in HP and it is in front of VP. So this is the another case. Next is the location of the point. So here, so what is the location of the point? If it is in first quadrant, it may be the above XY line. With respect to, we are discussing XY line. So first quadrant above XY and below XY line. So top view will be below XY line. If it is in second quadrant, the front view is above XY line and top view also above XY line. That's why we don't use this third angle. We don't use this second. We don't place the object in second quadrant. Next is third angle. The object is front view is below XY line and top view above xy line. In fourth quadrant, if we place the object, it front view is below xy line and top view is also below xy line. So that we don't use first and third angle quadrant. So object is in HP and above VP. So you can see it is above HP and in XY line. If it is in HP and above VP, above VP is in XY line and below XY line. And if it is in both HP and VP, front view and top view will be coincide on the XY line. Okay. So next is the we are going to solve some numericals. Numericals on the projection of point in first quadrant. Draw a projection of point B which is 20 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. So here first I am going to draw the XY line, then I will draw mark one point here which is 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above HP, that means we are looking in the front view, that point. So that is the B dash and 35 mm in front of VP. So we will draw one vertical line here and it is 35 mm. So this distance is 35 mm and this distance is 20 mm. Next is draw the projection of point D which is 30 mm above HP and in VP. So first I will draw XY line. I will draw one point 30 mm above HP here D dash and same line I in VP. So if it is in VP, okay, so its top view will be on the XY line. So that is the scenario. Next is a draw the projection of point M which is in HP and 25 mm in front of VP. So first I will draw XY line, then I will mark the point M, that is 25 mm in front of VP. Okay, and it is in HP, so its front view will be on the XY line. So that is M dash and this will be the M. Next, draw the projection of point N which is in HP and VP. So this is the XY line, and if it is in HP and VP, that means point is on the XY line. So this is N dash front view and this N will be the top view. Now you have to draw some homework questions. Okay, so these are the position of different points. You have to again draw this on the your notebook, sketchbook. Okay, and today's motivational quote is education is not the filling of a file but the lightning of fire. The lighting of fire. Thank you.